Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's moving always on the move, and today I've had a scooter and we'll be going at Tegalang rice fields. So let's get started. I got a scooter for myself and they ask for only your passport and where you stay and your original address. You need to give certain detail of yours, and just with a click you get your scooter, and you have to mention for how long you need that scooter. Have reached Tegalang Rice Terrace. I came here by driving a scooter. I had a scooty for a day because we have to cover so many places, and since yesterday I saw one thing, that there is traffic jam at every nook and corner because of the big vehicles. So the only people who are moving smoothly and fast and quickly are the people who hired scooter. That's why we thought of hiring a scooter today, and I got it for 80,000 IDR. Mine is the smaller one, the Scoopy scooter. If you go for a bigger size, it is called as a bigger size, then it will cost you 1,10,000 IDR. So we came to a spot, Instagrammable spot. So let's start clicking some photos and take a tour of the entire rice field. Look at this, the rice field looks beautiful. Totally mesmerizing. It's giving the real Bali vibes, you know. As this place where we have arrived. So everything that looks beautiful, you have to pay for it. And the charges are like this. These are the charges. I'll put a snapshot of that charges sheet on it. There are so many things which are covered in this particular charges, but it's almost 2,50,000. These are the dresses which they give to change. I mean, whichever color you can choose out of these dresses, and I will show a small video where you can think about or you can look at how exactly it will look if you sit on a swing. So I'm planning to do it, but I think I should take a tour of this rice field first, and then I'll think about it, that exactly when I should do, because currently the temperature is pretty hot. So I think once a little bit cool down, then I will think about doing this. So let's see. I'm asking for some negotiation also. If they listen to me, then it will be great. मध्ये लावले बघ. There is a safety belt. Then yes. Oh, you tend to make a noise. Do something like this later on, once you feel confident. Can't carry your fan over there, huh?
Of course.
So friends, the entry fees for this rice terrace is 25,000 per person. I guess for kids till 15-year-old it is free. And once you enter, all the activities which you plan to do, like say taking a swing or probably taking a Instagrammable photos at a particular spots which they occur. Oh God, एवढं चढायचं. Everything is chargeable, and there are different set of people who are managing that swings. So everybody have their own square to manage, own swings to manage. If you can see from here, there are different swings. Can you see? There are a lot of swings moving around here. So there are different management, small management companies who are taking care of it, and the prices also are more or less same, but their setup is a little bit different from each other. There are cafes, restaurants also, where they have made up some little square again of the for the photos to be clicked. So it is fun. You can actually spend almost 2 to 3 hours in this location. It is surrounded and looks pretty beautiful. See, this is a rice field. They have arranged this rice field very prettily. It is at every step. Being summer, it's being summer. There is no mud around here. It's dried up. That's why we are able to walk comfortably. Otherwise, as what the research which I did said that if it rains and if you want to walk at a rice field, although it is fun, but it will be muddy and it might spoil your dresses. If you are wearing a flary dress or a white dress, then you have to take care of it. So we got lucky, as we are visiting in summer, it's not muddy. We are passing through a small bridge where only 4 persons can walk at a time. It is so pretty sight. So much walk to do. You have to climb some step, you have to climb down, climb up. Keep on walking. Actual walk from the rice field. Look at this. It's very pretty. 1 person at a time. Thank you. Be careful now. Yeah. Wow. As soon as the clouds cover the sky, it feels cool. And once the cloud is clear and the sky is clear, I feel hot. Stream passing through the rice field. Wow. Lot of stairs to climb. Climate changes every second. Nice cool breezes coming now. Oh. Now we have to climb stairs. We climb down, and now it's the major task comes up because we parked our bike there, so we have to climb back all the stairs. Now the zip line from there it cost 3,50,000 IDR, which I felt too costly for no reason. Although when you take a stroll from the rice fields, you again feel very good. Nice. It's hard to keep your face smiling because it is too hot. And look at the steep stairs we have to climb down. Luckily, because of dry season, the walking trail is dry. Oops, look at the stairs. Got this coconut water. There is no end to this coconut water. It's almost 2 liters of water in one coconut. Can you imagine? It's not ending. One coconut water almost fill three people. If you are not a fan of coconut water, so think twice before ordering a coconut water at Bali. There is a washroom facility also wherever you take a swing or any great photos. And trust me, the washrooms are clean. In spite of having a lot of crowd at this place, they have maintained their washrooms pretty well. So I'm totally impressed by their management. Some graduation ceremony going on.